Alright, so hello everyone. I'm here again to teach you a new lesson. So this is a continuation no, of business mathematics. So let's get the ball rolling. No? So our topic will be present value. Okay, so what is present value? Okay, so this is present value. Some may want to set aside money now for college expenses for their children, their retirement, future vacations, or future purchases. So that is the present value. So I have here the formula for present value. So in our previous discussion, we have discussed future value. So I want you to watch that video for you to understand this better. Alright, so present value is equal to FV all over 1 plus R raised to N. Okay, so PV is equal to present value, FV is equal to future value, R is equal to period interest rate, and big letter N is the number of periods that the amount is invested for. Alright, so I hope that's clear. So let's have an example. Okay, so the owner of Peppa Por plans to add another 9 holes to the existing course in 10 years. He estimates that the cost of construction will be 300,000 pesos. Alright. How much money must he set aside now at 4% interest, compounded semi-annually, in order to have 300,000 in 10 years? Alright. So let's solve this. So here's the formula, no? Present value is equal to future value all over 1 plus R raised to N. So what is the future value? So according to the problem is 300,000 in 10 years. That is future value, 300,000 pesos. And then we have R, 4% interest, compounded semi-annually. Therefore, dividing 0.04 to 2, you will have 0.02. So for the N, we have 10, which is the years, multiplied to compounded time, which is semi-annually. So 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Alright, so let's substitute these values into our formula. We will have 300,000 excuse me, all over 1 plus 0.02 raised to 20. By simplifying this, we will have 201,891.40. Alright, so that is the present value. Alright, so I hope that's clear. So let's move to our next example. Alright, in 5 years, Paul plans to purchase a camera for about 100,000. Oh, that's very costly, right? How much should be set aside at 10% interest compounded yearly in order to have 100,000 in 5 years? Alright, again, the formula is present value is equal to future value all over 1 plus R raised to N. So the value of our future value is 100,000 pesos. Here, 100,000 pesos in 5 years. And for our R, we have 10% or 0.10 divided by 1 because compounded yearly. yearly is equivalent to 1. Therefore, 0.10 divided by 1, we have 0.10. And for our n, we have 5 years multiplied to yearly, which is 1. Therefore, we have 5 also. Alright? So again, let's substitute this value into here, the formula, and we will have 100,000 divided by 1 plus 0.10 raised to 5. By simplifying this, we will have 62,092.13 pesos. Alright? So that is the amount, that is the present value. If invested, it will reach 100,000 in 5 years, compounded yearly in a 10% interest. Alright? So thank you for listening. So I hope you guys learn new about this. I hope you get something about here. And yeah, please subscribe to our channel and follow for more.